Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change FaceTime notification sounds on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Mini or the Pro Max. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Notifications. Then in here, we're going to go down and tap on FaceTime. Next, you want to go down and tap on Sounds. In Sounds, go down and select a sound that you would like to use for your notifications. Okay, so select one of the sounds and then tap on the back key to go back, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.